Gentlemen, today's video requires you to put on your protective eyewear. Style bombs of knowledge and shrapnel's gonna be shooting all over the place. You gotta protect your eyes. You can actually see how incredibly studly and sexy you become. But if you're not interested in looking super sexy and stylish, then this video definitely isn't for you. But if you are ready to take your style from an 8.5 to an 11.75, I'm going over 6 easy ways to look more stylish than other dudes. Gentlemen, all 6 of these simple, easy things that you can do will automatically upgrade your style game. It's the little details that make a big difference when it comes to you looking put together and looking super sharp. The truth is, a lot of us get stuck in style ruts and a little bit fearful of stepping outside of the box. If you're somebody who likes the idea of trying different things and experimenting, you have got to check out today's video sponsor, Sprezzabox. I've talked about and used a lot of box services in the past, from Fashion Stork to Gentleman's Box, but Sprezzabox is the king, let's be honest. They've been featured in GQ and Esquire, like everywhere. If you guys are on Instagram, you've seen them. They are just killing it when it comes to super cool monthly box services. In each box, you're gonna get $100 worth of value. Here's an example of one of their boxes, right? Retail value of all these things, $131, but you only pay 28 bucks. Here's another one of my favorite. Total retail price, $146. You pay 28 bucks. The reason why Sprezzabox is the leader, in my opinion, is the quality of the items that come in the curated box. Each month, they've got a stylist that's going to put together a coordinated, thoughtful box of super high quality accessories and gear. Everything in the box matches, it's coordinated, and it's incredibly high quality. They guarantee that you're gonna get at least $100 worth of value for, it starts at $28 a month. But right now, for the first 500 of you that wanna actually hit that link and use the code, they're gonna give you 2 boxes for 20 bucks. 2 Sprezzaboxes for $20. It's the best deal that he's ever offered, but it's because Philip is my boy and he wanted to do something super cool for you guys. A lot of the items that you're gonna see in this video that I'm using as examples have come from my current Sprezzabox or previous Sprezzaboxes, because I've been a customer of those for 9 months. Guys, Sprezzabox is killing it. Link below. If you're interested in upgrading your style, you gotta check them out. So now I'd like to go over 6 simple things that any guy can do to look more stylish. Number 1 is show off your super cool socks. When it comes to socks, most guys will match their socks to their pant color. This is what's taught, it's what's standard, it's what's customary. What I like to do is actually pull out another color in my outfit and match my socks to that. Bang! Light blue. What exactly? Now, some of you may be thinking to yourself, Alpha, wait a second. If your pants are down, if they're long, how are we actually going to see those super sexy socks? The truth is that when you move, when you sit, when you cross your legs, people will get a glimpse of those socks. But if you want to take it to the next level, number 2 is pinroll your denim. I've talked about cuffing your denim on multiple occasions, and I personally think that it looks incredible. But if you are wearing a pair of denim that's a little bit wider and it's not super thin, it can look a little bit funky. The solution is to learn to pinroll your denim. All you're going to do is take it out here, right? Pull it out, and then you're just going to take one finger in here and fold it, right there. All right, you don't want it super tight. You just want to leave a little bit of room, but you want to make sure that it looks more tapered. And then you're going to hold it there. You're going to cuff. You're still holding. And then you're going to fold it up one more time. Check it out. This side is not pin rolled. See how big and baggy that looks, right? This side, the simple pin roll, it looks a lot cleaner, a lot more professional and put together. To maximize the style benefit of cuffing your pants, you gotta make sure you don't have a ton of play or a big loose cuff. It looks bad. Instead, hit a pin roll, tighten it up. Better. Hey, number 3 is right there on my wrist. A simple leather or beaded bracelet is a great accessory to take your style to the next level. 4th style trick is for all the dudes out there that wear a tie, button up all the way to the top, and feel like it's too super freaking tight. What do? Do you move the button? You could, or you could get one of these. This bad boy is a collar extender and an amazing invention. The way that it works, what you're going to do is find the buttonhole and you're going to press this through the button like that. And then what you're going to do is take the other end, which is a little loop, and bang it around the button. And so what you're left with is that it adds just a little bit of extra give and flexibility in that collar, making it a lot more comfortable. Collar extender, in my opinion, is one of the greatest inventions ever. If you're somebody who is constantly like uncomfortable and getting irritation and you don't want to throw out all your shirts, or you don't want to actually have the button moved, this is a great solution. And it's also something that you can incorporate with the fourth style tip, which is wear a tie with your flannel shirt. Whenever I see a guy and he's got a flannel shirt on or a plaid shirt and he's rocking a tie, I automatically think that he's a little bit more stylish than he may actually be, because in my opinion, ties look amazing with flannel. I matched the tie to the little tiny subtle maroon stripe in the shirt. Finding a tie with a tailored flannel shirt is an incredible way to take your style to the next level. It also looks amazing with those dynamite denim jacket. Flannel shirt, tie, denim jacket looks amazing, and it's a great way to take your style to the next level. Now, if you're ready to really take your style to the next level, tip number 5 is add a pocket square to your jacket. I'm not talking suit jacket, I'm talking denim jacket pocket. Adding a pocket square to your denim jacket pocket is next level style stuff. Just like that. Check it out, right? It's cool. It's something different. It's a detail that a lot of dudes aren't doing, and it just sets you apart. Bandanas come in a lot of different colors, but like we said, you can use regular pocket squares, and it's just a fun way to add a little pop of color, something different to the outfit that a lot of dudes aren't doing. Number 6. Brown shoes, brown shades. Black shoes, black shades. Coordinating your shades with your shoes, in my opinion, is a great way to just finish off an outfit and a look, and make sure that all of the pieces are working together. I know that it's minor, I know that it's simple, but that's kind of the point. 6 simple ways to look more stylish than your friends.